In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Discord user last online. Easy, full 2025 guide. First, a quick reality check so your expectations are spot on. Discord does not provide a last seen timestamp for user privacy. Instead, it shows a presence indicator, a small status dot, that tells you whether someone is currently active, has been idle, doesn't want notifications, or appears offline. That's what we'll use to understand when a user was last around. Start by opening Discord on your computer or phone. To locate the person you're curious about, head to your friends list or open a server you share with them. On desktop, your friends list is in the left sidebar and server member lists show up on the right side when you're inside a channel. On mobile, your friends tab is in the bottom navigation, and the member list appears when you open a server and view the channel's members. If you have a long list, use the search bar to quickly pull up their name. Once you've found them, look for the small status dot near their profile picture. You'll see it next to their name in your friends list, in DMs, and in the server's member list. On mobile, the dot appears on or near their avatar. If you open their profile card, you'll also see the same indicator there. Here's what the colors mean. A green dot means online. They're currently active on Discord. A crescent moon means idle. Discord hasn't detected activity from them for a while, usually because they stepped away, though the app may still be open. A red circle means do not disturb. They're active but have muted notifications. And a gray dot means offline or invisible. They're not currently online, or they've chosen to hide their status. If someone is offline or invisible, Discord won't show when they were last online. There's no built-in way to reveal a time or date for their last activity, and that's by design to protect user privacy. A few helpful notes as you read presence. Status updates can take a moment to refresh, so give it a few seconds if it seems out of sync. Idle can switch automatically after a period of inactivity, while Do Not Disturb is typically set manually. You might also see a custom status line of text, but that doesn't change how the dot works. And if you're not friends with someone and don't share a server, you won't see their presence at all. To recap, open Discord, find the person in your friends list or a shared server, and read the status dot to understand whether they're online